sorry, the camera just cut off. I don't know why.
This is bullshit.
It's okay. Come on, let's just stand over here.
Can I make out with you?
Later. Make out with us! Woo!
Okay.
Get me in all that shit.
No, that hat
Okay.
is so in.
We love you. Woohoo!
Okay, let's go stand over here.
I like cameras.
Come on.
Come on. Look at my butt as I walk away.
There's nothing to see. You're just a little stick. Come here.
I'm skinny, okay? At least I'm not fat like you.
Stacey, I got a question.
Yeah.
By the way, you know what? Just ask questions.
How do I get skinny like you?
Oh, well, it's quite simple. Just don't eat.
Do I look beautiful?
Absolutely
Not as beautiful as me, but, you know.
Fuck no, you're fucking fat.
I love you.
Lose the pounds.
I agree with her. You're fat. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I like your red hair, though.
Oh, thank you.
It's great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's just redheads in the audience
I do
today.
it. I do it.
I did her. I did her twice.
You did her twice?
3
Oh my God, how
times.
was that?
Right.
That was great.
So, tell us about your first, lesbian experience. You probably
Well,
weren't born a lesbian, so how did
No,
that happen?
I'm not a lesbian. I'm bi.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
sorry.
like Tila Tequila, only hotter.
How was your first experience with a woman? How was that? How old were you? Tell
Well,
us about it.
she was a model too. I started modeling when I was a fetus. And a fetus. Yeah, I was a really pretty fetus. Like, I was transparent and veiny. You could see I had model potential. And all of a sudden, one day, she's just there, like, in the womb with me. And I was like, hey, do you want to make out? And she's like, what's that? And I'm like, I don't know. I think it goes like this.
Oh my God!
And it was just great.
Did
Ever
you
since
not
then.
realize that could have been your twin? Do you have a twin?
Yeah, I do. She's
my
She's not as
God.
pretty as me, though.
Oh my God!
Are you saying I made out with my sister?
You did, but you didn't know because you
My
were
sister
a
is
fetus.
ugly.
You were a fetus. You didn't know.
She's an ugly little bitch.
Well, you made out with her. Congratulations. You just your life has just flashed before you.
I have to leave.
That was our guest. And she's
I'm
throwing up.
puking.
She's throwing up
I
everywhere.
feel beautiful.
And she sounds like a dude.
Only when I puke.
Okay, let's not cheer for that.
Bring out the next guest, Tammy.
Okay. Sorry, that was pretty funny. Love my name.
Do you want to do it?
I love my name.
Our next guest is a tranny named Candy
Apple.
Apple.
Candy the
She's got a big Adam's apple right there. I think that's why they call her that. Candy Apple, come on out, guys.
Okay, hi.
Oh my God, hi. I love your voice.
Thank you.
I love how you transition from deep to feminine.
I'm still working on the kinks,
Wow.
Thank you.
It's okay. Good job.
You're pretty hot.
Not here.
Are you sure you're not a man?
Oh, no.
Oh, girl.
What are you into, huh?
You know, all the kind, all the above. And
So you just pick them
below.
off the street, or what do you
Yes,
do?
I do. Look
Oh
over there.
my-
Ooh, eh.
Get the camera off of that.
So, are you like
Do you like safe sex, or you just like to?
Of course not. It's
Do you
like,
have a?
you know,
Since you're like a transvestite.